Right, so we're going to start with freshly brushed hair, and we're going to section the hair down the centre of parting. Ignore our pencil, we don't have a sectioning comb, but you want nice precise parting like so. And then we're going to start our plait on our first side, so grabbing our section on top of the head, splitting the hair into three using both hands, and then so we've got our three strands. We're going to cross them over using our index finger and our thumb to hold the first section, and adding a small strand of hair, twisting back through using your index finger and your thumb, and then pass back through with your other index finger and thumb, if that makes sense. And just keep that going down, index finger and twist over. So you want to, for a French plait, you twist the hair on top of each other rather than underneath. So keep going through, twisting over the top, passing the next section through. So you want to do smaller sections for a more precise plait. And obviously we sped it up, just keep going all the way down, making sure there's no knots, so keep pulling the hair tight to avoid any kinks or any messiness. Nice small sections all the way down the back of the head, nice central to the side that we're plaiting on, and all the way down. Ignore unmatching hair bands, as you see. We're feeling colourful. Perfect, that's one side. Moving on to the next, same, detangled so we don't get any kinks, and just finger to thumb, finger to thumb. As I said in the previous one, nice central again, and really precise thin pieces of hair so it looks neater. Just continue that the whole way down. Really simple styles just to get your hair out your face, especially on not clean hair. This style is so much easier and it holds so much better. And yeah, so just all the way down, keeping it nice and tight. And there you have two very nice, precise plaits. Hope this makes it easier. Thanks for watching.